Band Girl here. It's time to make some first sounds on your new saxophone. We talked in a previous video about making your reed go into the Goldilocks position. The reed is where the vibrations start, where you get your sound from. You need to make sure that it's always in its best position and in good condition. To begin with, you need to make sure that your neck strap is clipped into the saxophone's body. You can see in the picture here where your thumbs go. The left thumb goes on the black thumb rest on the top. The saxophone's body rests on top of your right thumb. Here's how it looks on the front. Notice how my ring finger is on the bottom key. My pinky is just kind of hanging out in space. My middle finger is going on the next key up. Then skip a key and your first finger will hit that very next key up, leaving the top one free. Right hand goes on the bottom. You'll notice how again my pinky is out in space. Fingers 1, 2, and 3 are the only keys on that side. It's important to make the saxophone come to you so your head and neck are straight. You'll want to adjust the neck strap up and down, the neck and mouthpiece side to side. Your mouth needs to be in the right position to give control to that reed that's vibrating. Your bottom lip needs to cover your bottom teeth, top teeth on top, seal those sides, and then give a nice strong airstream to give a good sound. Let me give you a quick demonstration. One last adjustment to that neck strap so it's in the right height. I'm going to bring it up to my mouth. Oh, the neck's not quite straight, so turn it to the side, adjust the mouthpiece so it's straight. Oh, my neck is straight. Okay, here we go. Be sure and watch my video on how to properly disassemble your saxophone and store it away safely each time you play. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.